Hi everyone, in front of me I've got nothing phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's go to reset options. And here we've got the network settings divided between two different sections. So we've got mobile network settings and separately Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And the operation of resetting all of them looks pretty similar, actually the same. So just tap on mobile network settings first of all, then tap on reset settings. Here we've got the information, so be aware because you cannot undo this action. So just tap on reset settings, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. And the same situation with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on it, tap on reset, and your device will reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Be aware because if you've got the screen lock, you will probably have to enter to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.